If you've accidentally deleted messages on Lyft and need to recover them, follow these steps to attempt to retrieve your information. Step 1. Check the Lyft app. Open the Lyft app and navigate to the Messages or Notifications section. Sometimes, messages may not be fully deleted and could still be accessible here. Step 2. Review email notifications. Look through your email for any notifications from Lyft. If you have email notifications enabled, you might find copies of important messages or ride details in your inbox. Step 3. Contact Lyft support. If you cannot find the messages through the app or email, reach out to Lyft's customer support. Provide them with details about the messages you need to recover, and they may assist you in retrieving them. Step 4. Check your device's backup. If you regularly back up your device, check if you can restore your phone to a previous state where the messages were still available. This may involve restoring from a cloud backup or a local backup. Step 5. Use third-party recovery tools. As a last resort, consider using third-party data recovery tools designed for mobile devices. These tools may help recover deleted messages, but be cautious and ensure you use reputable software. If these steps do not yield results, it may be challenging to recover deleted messages. Always remember to back up important information regularly to avoid future loss.